and I enjoy it, and there's lots of people in duets and everyone should join in.
To express ourselves and just
express ourselves and
just let us it's being free.
yeah.
I feel like it's going good because I can express myself and I can take out my feelings. Because every time, say I'm sad and I have an argument, every time I think about dancing or dance, it just takes all my feelings away.
I knew it was going to be good because I've heard lots of great things about duets and jukebox, and my son Evan is just loving the lessons and everything. But yeah, I didn't expect it to be so professional, and just to see the kids' confidence. I know a lot of the kids that were here tonight, and just to see their confidence just go through the roof because of the dance, it was wonderful.
I think it was absolutely amazing. It was just lovely to see the children's confidence, their sort of support for each other, really. It felt like the group had gelled really, really well. And to see the contrast between the ballet and the street dance was brilliant.
Physical work, and she's very talented. It's really really proud. Yeah, very.
Really proud of it. It was amazing. It was so good to see Katrina how she's progressing. She really enjoys the both sessions, the ballet and the jukebox.
The enthusiasm the dancers are bringing is just wonderful to see, really, and I think they're really inspiring children, particularly the boys, actually. We've had no dropout, I don't think, this year, which is phenomenal.